Safety is our priority. Yet, did you know one moment of carelessness could lead to serious injuries? The responsibility begins with awareness. Welcome to our slips, trips, and falls prevention training. By the end of this training, you will understand the definitions of slips, trips, and falls. Identify common causes of slips, trips, and falls. Learn best practices for housekeeping to prevent accidents. Recognize the importance of clear pathways and reporting hazards. Here are crucial details on slips, trips, and falls prevention. Slips occur when there isn't enough friction on a surface, like a wet floor. How to spot. Identify wet, oily floors and cluttered areas. Action. Avoid these areas and alert a supervisor. Trips happen when an object or uneven surface causes loss of balance. How to spot. Look for loose cables and uneven surfaces. Action. Move those items or report them if you can. Falls can happen from heights if equipment is misused. How to prevent. Use ladders correctly and secure them before use. Action. Ensure that ladder steps are clear and stable before climbing. Proper storage prevents hazards in the workplace. How to maintain. Store tools and materials where they belong. Action. Don't leave items in walkways or on the ground. Good lighting helps prevent accidents by making hazards visible. How to ensure. Check for adequate lighting in all work areas. Action. Report any dimly lit areas to your supervisor. Now, let's examine some real-world scenarios. A worker slips on a wet floor from an unattended spill. What should you do? Pause and assess. Is there a spill? Is it marked? Your action should be: immediately clean and mark the area. An employee trips over loose cables. What's your next step? Pause and look. Are cables properly secured? If they aren't, take action to secure them or report it. A fall occurs while using a ladder that isn't secured. What do you need to check? Pause and reassure. Is the ladder stable? If not secure, adjust or seek help before using it. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. Good housekeeping is essential for safety. Keep walkways and emergency exits clear. Report hazards immediately. Safety is a shared responsibility among all workers. Please report any hazards to your supervisor or safety team. Let's ensure a safe work environment together. Thank you for participating in our slips, trips, and falls prevention training.